the way it's like instruct them how they actually want to be touched. And I heard that with you guys that you touch him the way you want to be touched. And what really is so healthy is, well, so what are you liking? What are you not liking? What are you wanting more of? What are you wanting less of? And that kind of communication, that's part of what I try to foster in my office, because a lot of times we know, ooh, I don't like that. Like, my back is so tense. I don't like the squeezing, but can we verbalize what we are actually wanting? And that's where I feel like sometimes it's a little more complicated. So we're gonna skip this one here. You guys are dating, I think, just a few months, you said? Which is awesome. So you guys are in the honeymoon phase, which is
that's nice. We like that.
How long you guys?
Married 8 years.
So you're past the honeymoon phase. So, which, and again, it's normal that we have different stages. And in the beginning, we're supposed to have that high, and we look in each other's eyes, and we're excited by the person's voice, and it's beautiful, and it's normal that it comes down into, and we're not going to go through all those technicalities because we have limited time. This is very often what I see in my office is, I think once he begins to see the benefits of couples therapy, I'll be able to loosen some ropes. I know when we were sitting here before, I was asking, did one of you drag the other one? And I was like, no, we both just came because we wanted to, which I always lovely. That is unusual and refreshing. So this is a clip that I think is worth watching. It's a good few minutes. Some of these people are strangers. There's an elderly couple, and afterwards I'm going to want you, but have you seen this one before?
No.
Okay. Afterwards I'm going to want you to practice this.